From now onwards, we'll learn to have an offline compiler with us. A very good and time-tested compiler is code blocks. Right? We'll go to code blocks. Go to this site, code block site. As we go to code block site, we'll have these versions available here. And these versions we can try it, and there is a download section available, and you can download it as per your requirement, right? And then after you download it, you install it as a regular software is installed, and finally you will be able to easily run it the way I have been running it here, right? This is code blocks initial starting screen. Now we'll create a empty file here, right? Because I want to keep things simple. This environment has this kind of area for writing code and area where all kinds of messages and logs and debugger information is there. This is a full-fledged integrated environment, but we'll keep things simple here because we want to write our simple code. Here I would like to train about some string basics to you. So we shall make a include of IO stream here, and then using name space std. I can just keep control holded and increase the size of this code block font. int main I can write here, and then I can also write a character string array, because code block helps me in completing my code, so be careful that way. Now concept of this string is that because I am actually telling you some string basics. Concept of this string is that string is considered to be a sequence of character, especially a C style string. We have some other styles also in C++. We'll learn a C style string first. So let us try to fill this array. Input your name and ended this. Then cin str here, so that we can collect into this variable, and we'll simply print this str. Let us see what happens. This is customary. Okay, so this completes my simple code. Let us see what happens for this code. I have this run on build and run button. I'll just straight away go to build and run. But before that, I must save this because this is right now untitled. So I'll save this. So let me save it as first file. So str1.cpp. Okay. So this is saved now. The moment I save it, I see this kind of colors for wherever C keywords are there, and special colors for wherever literals are there, and semicolon is this way, red color, and these kind of include colors, and then these kind of object name colors. These are all object names. So now I will build and run this. If this runs well, so this has come, input your name. Suppose now I input my full name. Okay. It has shown only my first name. Must be a reason there. Let us try to understand that reason. See, we have taken this name as cin, and cin has a property that it collects till first white space only, right? So we have to have some special kind of method to collect this. So for collecting the whole line, we have scene dot getLine, and now this works as like a function, and whatever maximum size of that array is there, I can collect that. So now we should be able to do it, that collection. Let us build and run this. Now I'll input my full name. It has outputted the full string now. But even more interesting, C++ has a facility of using a string from string class. So for which I need to include string, and instead of using this, I will use string class object like this. Now this will have many advantages, we'll learn soon, but now this getLine will be a little bit different. Now I'll have to put scene here. Just remember that scene will go there because scene object is still used by getLine for a string type of str. Here I do not have to declare the size of the string. This string object will maintain it automatically. So I can type as long string as I want. Okay, this is internally maintained, so that is an additional advantage. I'll just save this, run this again here. So let us see what output comes now. Yeah, I can type it, a long string here. Is a good boy, and prints the whole thing. So this is possible because now we have used the string object here. Okay, so one way is either a character sequence. In case of character sequence, what happens when we take the input, it actually places a null character at the point wherever my input, the physical input, actually completes. But maximum size can carry is 40 only, right? Whatever I declare here. But here this is internally managed by this string class, and I can then use whatever size I want, and obviously there is some limit because of the memory limits, but it can be really too high. So these are the string basics for C style string, and this is C++ style. Mostly the modern users use this only, but this also is important. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.